Well, I am standing in a absolutely wonderful garden at Five Oaks Middle School, and I'm here with a couple of the teachers. And so I'm going to let one of them explain what this is and how it's working. Hi, Pat. How are you?
Doing well.
It's delightful to be here. So tell me about this amazing program and what it does.
The garden is something that our school has gotten together with the Oregon Food Bank with. And it's an opportunity for our students to volunteer usually once a week. We're out here with them, and they plant, they harvest, they put everything together and make sure that the food gets produced.
And it's here at the middle school, but it's kind of a program within the middle school program, right? Is that right?
Our program, Rachel Carson, is within the Five Oaks program, yes, within the Beaverton School District. And so we come out here with our students, about 45 students every Wednesday, and volunteer.
So, Pat, you mentioned Rachel Carson. What does that mean?
Rachel Carson's the environmental science program that we have in the Beaverton School District, so that kids have an opportunity to learn science as well as all their other subjects. But it's an opportunity for them to go outside. It's an opportunity for them to learn in different environments.
And it is they come into this program by it can be anyone in the district in the middle school that can come here and apply to be
our
here.
Our students come from all over the district. Yeah, they apply to come to school here, and we try to get them outside as much as we can.
Right. And so now I'm going to switch over here to you, Kendall. How are you, Kendall?
Good, how are you?
And tell me, why is this so beneficial to these younger students, and what does it give them?
Well, it gives them a real sense of connectedness with obviously their environment and with the school, but also the sense of giving. And our program is very community-based and all about service learning. And so we're out here, every Wednesday. And it's great because students, the incoming sixth graders, are out here in the fall, and we're planting cover crop. We're removing, the stuff that we can't harvest, and then they're here throughout the year. Then we're coming back periodically throughout the year. We'll start to plant. We'll start to remove the cover crop. We'll start to mulch. We'll spread wood chips like we're doing today, and filling raised beds for more planting. And what's great is that every year they harvest thousands of pounds of produce. It goes out to the community, and so I think the students get to see that full cycle piece, that they're contributing.
So, Kendall, how many students are involved here?
Well, currently we have about 45 working, and that's about how many we bring out every Wednesday, as Pat mentioned. But in the program, we have 180 students, and we have 6 teachers, 2 math teachers, 2 humanities, 2 science teachers. And something unique about our program is that our classrooms are blended grades. We have 6th, 7th, and 8th graders learning together, working together. And so we're out here, and that just fosters all kinds of really strong relationships and mentorship opportunities for the kids.
And I before I came here, I read some background on the place. I read that the first year I think it was like 1,400 pounds. Last year, 6,000 pounds that went to the food bank.
It is amazing. It's truly amazing. And just every year they add on. The Oregon Food Bank does a great job of supporting us, working with us, and allowing this opportunity for our kids. But it just grows by leaps and bounds every year.
Excellent, excellent. So now what I'm going to do is take a couple minutes and go find some of the students that actually do all this work and gain all of this learning. Well, so now I'm with 2 students, Kevin and Lucas, and I'm just going to talk to them about, what was their motivation for this and what it's brought into their lives. All right, let's start with you, Lucas. So tell me, this is your second year in this program, right? So why? What was it that you thought, I'm going to do this because it sounds good?
It's about learning and what I can find out from this place. And then also it helps out a lot of people because all produce is donated to the Oregon Food Bank to help support families in need.
And that's got to make you feel good.
Yeah,
because at your age, I know when I was your age, I wasn't so kind-hearted. So you've really stepped up and thought, not only can I learn about a certain type of science and chemistry in a garden, but you really get to help people out.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And so what do you think? Are you going to be here next
Yes,
year
I will
too?
be here next year.
Wonderful. Now I'm going to switch over to Kevin because, Kevin, you actually have some history. Your brother graduated from this same program. What has it brought to you?
This program is honestly just one of the most amazing things that I've ever been a part of in my life. I mean, we have such an amazing community that we build here with our fellow students and our teachers that I think, and all together we're making a difference for people in need, which is always something great that I love to be a part of.
And you said that your brother went through it and he's graduated. That was 2 years ago. You still, even when you graduate, because this is your last year here, you still intend on coming back because you come back and volunteer in the summer, and he still does that too.
Yeah.
So does that does that make you become a wonderful gardener at home?
I don't know. We have some gardening at our house,
Yeah.
but not too much. I wouldn't call it a garden.
But now your parents, they know that they can depend on you to put in the garden. Well, there you have some information about two of the people that actually work here and are experiencing this program every day. So for more information on this really fascinating program, go to gardentime.tv. We'll take you over to their website. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you.